Okay. Given the question, a boy is walking along the path y equal to ax square bx plus c. Okay. Given the equation y equal to ax square bx plus c. Throw the points minus 6 comma 8, minus 6 comma 8 and minus 2 comma 12 and 3 comma 8. Okay, he wants to meet his friend at p of 7 comma 20. Will he meet his friend? Use Gaussian elimination method. Okay, very simplest problem. Now this is called x, second one is called y. After x, y. After x, first one is x, second one is y. Now y equal to ax square bx plus c. Now substitute, what is y value? 8. So 8 equal to a of, what is x value? Minus 6 whole square plus b of minus 6 plus c. Then therefore minus 6 square 36. 36 a, 36a minus 6b plus c equal to 8. That is called the equation number 1. Okay. After substitute x equal to minus 2. Now y equal to 12. So 12 equal to a of minus 2 square plus b of minus 2 plus c. Now 2 square 4. So 4a minus 2b plus c equal to 12. That is called the equation number 2. After substitute x equal to 3, y equal to 8. X equal to 3. Y equal to 8 means 8 equal to a of 3 whole square plus b of 3 plus c. Now 3 square 9. 9a plus 3b plus c equal to 8. That is called the equation number 3. Next, you making the augmented matrices. So, augmented matrix is A and B. Okay. Now, what is first row? Equation number 1, 36 coefficient of ABC values. Taking coefficient of ABC. So, minus 6 after 1 and 8. Okay, that is constant value. After second row, second equation 4, minus 2, 1 and 12. After third equation 9, 3, 1, 8. Okay. Now, R2 gives R2 into 9. After R3 gives R3 into 4. Okay. Now R1 as it is, what is the value? 36 minus 6, 1, 8. After R2 into 9. So 9 4s are 36, 9 2s are minus 18, 9 1s are 9, 9 12s are 9 10s are 90, 2 9s are 18. So 108. Okay. After 4 9s are 36. After 4 3s are 12. After 4 1s are 4. After 4 8s are 32. Okay. Sorry students, here minus 12 is here. Okay, minus 12. So minus 12 means here minus 12, here minus 12. So 9 into minus 12 minus 108. Okay. Now R2 gives R2 minus R1. R3 gives R3 minus R1. Okay. What is the value? Tell me. Now R1 as it is 36 minus 6, 1, 8. Now 36 minus 36, 0. Minus 18, R2 value minus 18, R1 value minus 6. So minus to minus plus 6. So minus 18 plus 6 equal to minus 12. Okay, R2 value 9, R1 value minus 1. So 9 minus 1, positive 8. After R2 value 108, minus 108, R1 value negative 8. So minus 108, 8 equal to 616. So minus 116. Okay, R3 gives R3 minus R1, 36 minus 36, 0. 12 minus into minus plus 6. So 12 plus 6 equal to 18. After R3 value 4, R1 value 1. So 4 minus 1, 3. R3 value 32, R1 value minus 8 is here. So remaining value 24. Now R2 gives R2 divisible by 4. R2 divisible by 4. After R3 gives R3 divisible by 3. Okay. Now R1 as it is 36 minus 6 1 8. What is the value? 0 by 4 0 minus 12 divided by 4 equal to minus 3. So 8 by 4 equal to 2. Next 116 divided by 4 equal to 2 4s are 8. 116 divided by 4. 2 4s are 8. Remaining value 3. So 6. Next 9 4s are 36. Okay. So 29 minus 29. Next R3 value. R3 divisible by 3. 0. 18 by 3. 6. 3 by 3. 1. 24 divided by 3 equal to 8. Okay. Now R3 gives R3 plus 2R2. Okay. Now 36 as it is minus 6 1 8. After 0 minus 3 2 minus 29. So R2 also as it is. Now R3 value is 0. 0 plus 0 0. R3 value 6 is here. 2 into R2. I mean 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 gets 0. That is called the echelon form. We got it. Okay. After R3 value 1. R2 value 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. After R2 value 29. 2 29s are minus 58. Minus 58. R3 value 8 is here. So minus 58 plus 8 equal to minus 50. Okay. Therefore 36x plus minus 6y plus 1z equal to 8. After minus 3y plus 2z equal to minus 29. After 5z equal to minus 50. Sorry students, we take ABC concept. So 36A, 6B, C. Okay. After 3B, 2C. After 5C. Okay. This is called equation number 1, 2, 3. Now 3 implies 5C equal to minus 50. Now C equal to minus 10. Okay. C equal to minus 10 in equation number 2. Now 2 implies minus 3B plus 2 into C value minus 10 equal to minus 29. Now minus 3B equal to minus 29. Minus 20 opposite plus 20. Okay. So minus 3B equal to minus 9. Now B equal to 3 because 3 3s are 9. Okay. So B equal to 3 comma C equal to minus 10 in equation number 1. Where is equation number 1? Here. So 36A minus 6 into B value 3 plus C value minus 10 equal to 8. So 36A, 6 3s are minus 18, minus 10 equal to 8. So 36A equal to 8, minus 28 in opposite plus 28. So 36A equal to 36A equal to 1. Next, y equal to ax square bx plus c. Now substitute a value, b value, c value. Okay. So y equal to a value, where is a value 1? So 1 into x square plus, what is b value 3? So 3 into x plus c value minus 10. Okay. Now y equal to x square plus 3x minus 10 is here. After he wants to meet his friend at the point P of 7, 20. At the point 7, 60. Okay. Here this is x, this is y. Now substitute the values. So 60 equal to x square means 7 square plus 3 of 7 minus 10. So 60 equal to 7 square 49, 3 sevens are 21 minus 10 equal to 49, 21 equal to 60, 70. 70 minus 10 equal to 60. So 60 equal to 60 means we meet his friend. Yes, he meet his friend. Thank you, students.